This is not a protein shake. I repeat, it is not a protein shake. It's a complete nutrition shake and it's my lunch. Today, I'm going to be talking about the difference between protein shakes and complete nutrition shake. Protein shakes have become a popular choice for athletes, fitness enthusiasts, and people who are looking to add more protein to their diet. But can they and should they really replace a meal? Or is there a better alternative? Let's talk about it. I use complete nutrition products, like this, on a regular basis. And to the untrained eye, many people just assume I'm making up a protein shake when I carry this around, as that's what they tend to associate with products that kind of, look like this come in kind of powder form. Many is the time when, at work I've been making up my lunch, my complete nutrition shake, and people are asking me, is that one of them protein shakes? No, I reply, it's a complete nutrition shake. And then I go off on a long TED lecture on what a complete nutrition shake is and how it can help you maintain a healthy, balanced diet, etc., etc. And it's not a protein shake, they're different. Anyway, so I thought I'd give that TED lecture here and answer the question, what's the difference between a complete nutrition shake and a protein shake? And can they both be used to replace a meal? First, let's talk about nutrition shakes like Rutana, Huel, Jimmy Joy, Mana, Y-Food, all the things I've tasted, reviewed and tested over the years, for the last 7 years. These shakes are designed to provide all the nutrients your body needs in a single serving. Let's just repeat that for those at the back. All your nutrient needs, including protein, healthy fats, complex carbohydrates, fiber, vitamins, minerals, phytonutrients, sometimes some good gut bacteria as well. And as such, it is a super convenient and efficient way to get all your essential nutrients in one meal. And because of that, they can be used to replace a meal, say a lunch or a breakfast. Protein shakes, on the other hand, are just meant to provide additional protein and can be seen as a tool to fuel that muscle development before or after exercise, and can also help bat away hunger, by making you feel kind of satisfied and full. And therefore, if anything, it's more useful as a snack replacement, as opposed to a whole meal replacement. So, when it comes to traditional protein shakes, which are typically made from whey or plant-based protein powder and have water or milk, these are not really designed to replace a meal. However, they can be a great way to supplement your diet with that extra protein, especially if you are an athlete or you're trying to build muscle and stuff like that. Complete nutrition shakes, on the other hand, as I said, can replace a meal. But it's important to use them as a tool and not as a complete replacement for every single meal in your life. Life would be pretty boring if you just drank shakes non-stop. Complete nutrition shakes are designed, as I said, to provide all the nutrients your body needs. And in some cases, with the right brands, if you check the ingredients and stuff, it includes things dietitians often accuse are missing in these items, such as fiber and phytonutrients. That's why it's always best to check exactly what nutrients are in the brand that you choose to use when it comes to complete nutrition shake. You want to make sure it's a true complete nutrition product and has the right macronutrient balance of carbs, proteins, fats, and importantly, fiber, which is sometimes missing in meal replacement products and stuff like that. So always check. And of course, added vitamins and ideally added phytonutrients and all those things. Find the brands that deliver that. Find those brands that can deliver all those macronutrients, all those extra vitamins, the phytonutrients, the gut bacteria, all that kind of stuff. And those brands, if you find the right brands, can be a great option for people who are short on time or struggle to eat the right foods and stuff like that and struggle with a balanced diet. In terms of protein shakes, if you want to turn your protein shake into a meal replacement, then, you can add some healthy fats, add some complex carbohydrates, and add some fiber to your shake. For example, you could add almond butter or frozen berries or add spinach to your shake to make it more filling and satisfying. But then part of me thinks by the time that you've resourced all those extra ingredients, chopped them all up, put them in a blender, added them to your protein shake, wouldn't a complete nutrition shake that has all those added nutrients already and the extra protein you want be a better option? There are complete nutrition products that have that extra protein boost, like Pure Black or like this one here, Instant Knockout, which has extra protein in it because they're complete nutrition products aimed specifically at athletes, or in the case of Instant Knockout, boxers and MMA fighters. However, protein shakes can be a helpful tool for supplementing your diet and getting that extra protein when you need it. But let's be honest, they're best used as a snack between meals or pre or post exercise rather than as a kind of extra meal or a meal replacement. One of the many benefits of complete nutrition shakes, like Huel, Jimmy Joy, Rutana, Y-Food, etc., is that they are actually customizable to your needs. And you can adjust the amount of powder and liquid you use to create a shake that meets your specific nutritional needs and preferences. Some you can add kind of milk or almond milk or oat milk or just water. Some you can have less powder, more powder, depending whether you're trying to lose weight, maintain weight, add on weight. In fact, one of the great benefits of complete nutrition shakes is that they can be a great option for sort of weight loss, not just weight loss, but maintaining weight or even bulking up and adding weight, because you know exactly how many calories are in each meal and you can adjust the amount of powder accordingly. And even if you're using a complete nutrition product at the normal dosage rates, that's giving you between 400 to 500 calories in a meal. That 400, 500 calories, which is probably less than that sneaky meal deal or that sneaky Mackie D that you've had, is providing you with all your kind of macronutrients and vitamins and stuff like that that your body needs. And therefore, it helps you kind of manage your calorie intake whilst making sure you know you're getting the right nutrient values. Plus, complete nutrition products are designed to keep you feeling full and satisfied, which means you're less likely to snack or overeat throughout the day. When it comes to traditional protein shakes, look, I get it. They are a great way to supplement your diet with extra protein. Protein is important for building and repairing muscles and supporting the immune system. But if you want it instead of a meal, then you need to make sure that you're not missing out on all the other nutrients your body needs to help you stay fit and healthy. So I would suggest going for a complete nutrition shake, which can deliver that extra protein and all those other kind of macronutrients like carbs, fats, and fiber that your body needs. Your body is a machine and it needs the right combination of fuel, not just one element of that fuel. And you can use protein shakes as a boost or a snack to keep that hunger away. But you mustn't forget the carbs and the fats and the fiber, etc. And that's why I use complete nutrition products. And if I'm going through a kind of a fitness kind of regime at the time, then I'll often opt for one that's got extra protein, like Instant Knockout or like the Huel Black and stuff like that. Most of the complete nutrition products that I've tried on my channel, make sure you check out the videos, provide you with that complete rounded and balanced macronutrient combination of that carbs, protein, fats and fibers, plus a ton of extra vitamins, phytonutrients, good healthy gut bacteria. So I know I can stay kind of healthy because there are so many different brands. I can swap and change between them depending on what I'm trying to get out of them at any one time. Anyway, there you go. I hope you found that interesting. I hope you found it useful. If you did, then please hit the likes because I like it, YouTube likes it, and it helps people like you find great content like this. And if you are new here, then do me the great honor, hit that subscribe button. Go on, just hit that subscribe button, toggle that notification bell, and that way you'll know when I go live with content just like this. And if you're interested in more information about complete nutrition products and stuff like that, then definitely check out the videos over here. Check these ones out here. I think you find them interesting. Thanks.